Ever wonder what silence looks like? It's not empty. It's full of breath, of light, a beauty that only reveals itself when you rise above it all. This is where I go, to listen, to feel, to fly. Moments whispered through trees, reflections held in still water, castles standing quiet in the wind, a world you've seen, but never quite like this. I'm LastHope, and this is my view from the sky. Every frame is a feeling, every flight a search for something real. The sound you hear? That's subricon, turning altitude into emotion. You're not just watching, you're part of our journey. This isn't just a channel. It's a breath between the chaos, a pause in the noise. This is our escape.